How's it going? Right in front of me, this is the portable juice cup. And when I say portable, I mean portable. Obviously, we have the user manual if you need it. The cap, charging cable, you'll know why. And you get a brush here, hard bristles for cleaning. And it was well protected because it is glass. So it's definitely good heavy material here. And it does have a handle. Walk around and hold it like this. Now, does this twist off? Yes, it do. And now I am exposed. Seems to obviously gonna do the job for cutting fruits. It looks like I might be able to unscrew the bottom. No, that's probably just the seal where the battery is contained. And it does have some rubber non-slip surface. This is kind of like waterproof seal so that you can plug in through micro USB. It's perfectly sealed so that the messes don't go inside of there. A simple on and off button. Okay, I've had this for a long while, so obviously I'm gonna have to charge it. Right before I leave, you could obviously flip it on this side, and if you don't want to carry around this, but once you cap it, you have a sealed cup, so you don't even need to carry this in your bag if you already made it. Fruit smoothie or whatever you made into here. Okay, gotta charge this thing because I want to hear it. Okay, I've been charging it for around half an hour. And just to show you with a simple portable charger, you can still charge this up, but it does not do anything while it is charging. So this will actually be the first time I turn it on, so we're gonna hear it together. And it's not fully charged, but we're just gonna press, and we can see that there's light there. And press and hold for 2 seconds. Woo! I think because the motor spun around that fast, it noticed that there was nothing that it was chopping up. Go 1 and 2. So obviously you can figure out where you would want to use this. At parties, camping, so you can make smoothies or grind up whatever you need to do to drink. As soon as you'd be done, you know, obviously you take that out. You're gonna cap it, and then you have, again, your drinking thing on the go. You leave this home, and then you have your juicer already made. And this should not turn on because the glass is not on the sensor, but let's go ahead and press anyway. So we got the battery indicator, and let's press and go. 2 seconds, nothing. 1, 2, 3. It does not turn on because it doesn't want it to work this way, because imagine this grinding up, chopping people's fingers off. This will absolutely hurt somebody, and that's why it has a safety protection on there. So as soon as this is back on there, you can see that actually it reacted to the button that pressed by the jar. Battery indicator, press 1 and 2 seconds. And you can see, let me go buy some stuff to make, and we'll be right back. Hi, welcome to Al's Kitchen, where I'm going to show you how to make smoothies at home and on the go wirelessly. The ingredients: milk, some fruit slices, and then we got some la lecheria, which is super sweet, yummy. Just don't worry about it, just trust me. This is what you need, and a banana right here. And all we're gonna do is kind of dice it up and do it all in here. Why do you need a blender when you can turn your blender into little cuppy thingy? And it's glass, so it will break. Even though I'm pressing buttons here, it does not turn on. So there's a safety feature on here, so you never have to worry about cutting yourself up anyway. So let's open that up, and we're gonna open the banana dahia, okay? So you don't need the whole thing unless you really like a lot of banana flavor. So chop it, and actually I probably need a little bit more than that. That's just too little. So chop, chop. You know what? They're just gonna use the whole thing because it seems like it wasn't enough. Choppy, choppy, and choppy, copy. Get your other mixes. Obviously you're gonna make enough for yourself because it's a one-person type of meal there, but you can zoom the lens. Literally adjust your hand and do that one swipe so you're not, yes. You're gonna be able to put this stuff in here first. Looks almost to the top, but it's gonna be delicious, trust, trust. And then you get your milk, and you're gonna pour your milky. You gotta leave room because it's gonna blend towards the top. And then with your la lecheria, ooh, a little drizzle, a little, you know, yeah. Ooh. There's enough room there so that once it starts blending, we're just gonna do that. Close it. So this button right here, you can see the battery level is gonna say I can do 20 of these, but let's press and hold for 2 seconds. And look at that. It did not work. Okay, so I might have packed it a little bit too far down, so the blades can't spin. Turn off the camera real quick. Turn it off. It's spinning the whole fruit rather than trying to cut the fruit.
I could do for Looper.
I'm gonna do this, shake it a little bit to make sure that nothing's caught on the blades so that it, you know, it spins freely. So I'm gonna turn it on upside down just to show you here. You see? You hear that? So that's the sound you kind of want to hear, and then just keep going this way. So once it's blended, let me open it from right here. We're gonna test it, make sure. Okay, that's pretty tight. Take it out there. But does that look liquidy? I think it do. Again, it will not spin. Lid, lid. All right, babes, let's go. And let's taste this. Let's give this a taste. Remember, this stuff was chunky. Oh my God, that's really good. But I think I needed a little bit more of this. So don't be stingy. Pour as much as you want, because this is gonna give you like a lot of flavor, you know? All right, let's go. Delicioso. No chunks left, and that's how it works. I did get a brain freeze, so. Why did I get a brain freeze? Oh, these are free frozen. Okay. Well, there you go. Super good. I know someone else wants some. Hey, cameraman, you want some? All right, let's give you some. Put enough milk towards the top, and I'm gonna give you a lot more glizzy. Right there. Ooh, that's way better than mine was. Cap it off. Oh yeah, I forgot. You gotta do this. You gotta, what is that? Shake, weight it. Ooh, I'm not leaking. You're leaking. Is it leaking or is that? That's excess from the last one. Of course, I didn't clean it up, so I can cut this stuff out. So once he zooms in, I have to get the blade to spin off of them. There we go. And let's just press here. That strawberry dye. Go one more for good measure. All right, cameraman, give me.
I think that bag was resealable, and you ripped it open.
Ooh, looks delicioso. So just gonna cap it pretty tight. Flip it upside down. Handle it. Get a handle out. You're going, taking it to go. Yeah, you're hungry. You want your protein shake. And smooth? Good?
Yeah.
Yes? Yeah, you don't need to drink like I did, but enjoy it. There you go. You got your smoothie. You can put your hand there, and just to rinse and clean that off pretty quickly, just do that. So you got this little brush here to get into the crevices. So yeah, it's clean, ready for action. I gotta end it. Okay, press the record button. So there you guys have it. This is Al's kitchen. If you like it, you already know what to do. Find it in the description down below. And as always, thank you for watching. And I will see you guys next time. Later. Very good, guys. Thank you. Alright, tune in next time. There won't be a next one, but if I ever did, I'd have to get an apron.
Custom one?
No, not that far. Unless people liked it and they were like, I don't care about what you're doing. Just entertain us that way. And just do dumb, weird things.